Hey everyone, how you doing? My name is Sean, and this is the BrightLink Pro, the ultimate collaborative whiteboard. Okay, let me just turn it on and pick up a pen. Now what you're seeing is actually a projection on a whiteboard. So if I were to write something like meeting notes, you can see the projection. You can project on walls, tables, basically any flat surface. Now let me add some numbers. And if you make a typo, it's not a problem. It's really easy to erase. Now when I run out of space, all I have to do is click down here for a new page, and my previous whiteboard will be saved. Now if I want, I can insert a shape like this. And I can upload my own content from a USB thumb drive. Select an image and then upload it. And there it is. Now I can easily resize it. I can move it. If I want to make an annotation, I can do that as well. It's really that simple. Now, like I said, this is all about collaboration. So I can easily share my whiteboard with mobile devices or BrightLink Pros with people in the room or remote as long as they're connected to the same network. Go back to my meeting notes. Now, so by clicking here, I can share my whiteboard with up to 15 other devices. Now, it'll create a random pin code, or you can create your own. So, all your participants have to do now is connect to the BrightLink Pro first. Open a browser, type in the address, and enter the pin. Now this way, they can see anything I have on my whiteboard, and I'll be able to see anything they write. Voila. Now, if your participants want to share an image like I did just a second ago, well, they can do that too. All they have to do is upload the image. And there it is. Now, when the meeting is over, I can email these notes, I can print them, or I can save them for later. And what's super neat is that I've done all this without special software or a computer. Okay, but now, what if I want to connect to my computer? Not a problem. I can connect my PC via HDMI or VGA. And I can see what's on my screen up here on the board. Now, that might not seem very exciting, but when I connect a USB cable as well, and open up something like PowerPoint, I can start interacting with my PC. Essentially, the board becomes a 100-inch monitor, and the pen, or my finger, becomes the mouse. It's like a giant tablet. Think of it this way. Anything that runs on my computer, I can now run up here on the board. So if I wanted to use a unified communication tool like WebEx or GoToMeeting, I would just click here and run it like I would on my computer. Hi, Amy. Others can join in as well. Another way you can use the BrightLink Pro is as a video conferencing display. All I have to do is connect my video conferencing equipment like a Polycom and enjoy the full 100-inch diagonal image. I can also go split screen with my video on one side and the whiteboard on the other. I can also swap them to get everyone collaborating at the same time. The great thing is you don't need a flat panel for your video conference. Just one BrightLink Pro and you're good to go. So there you have it, the BrightLink Pro from Epson, offering 3 great ways to boost productivity. You can keep your whiteboard and turn it into a digital whiteboard, connect to your PC and use it like a giant tablet, or use it as a video conferencing display. To learn more, reach out to your sales rep today.